Do you know what dietitians crave?
The same foods you do, because you know, we're human.
We just may have a bit more experience with healthier recipes to quench our cravings.
Yep, no secrets here, just 2 sweetly flavored summery treat recipes.
Banana bites are a tasty frozen dessert. Spread peanut butter on a banana slice and sandwich with a second slice. Dip bananas in melted chocolate, place on parchment paper, and freeze until set. Store for easy grab and enjoy moments.
Not in the mood for chocolate? Let cinnamon apples hit the spot. Mix the sliced apple with sugar, cinnamon, and water. And microwave for a minute. Stir and continue microwaving until apples are soft. Top with graham cracker crumbles for a moment of yum.
Find these recipes and more on bigY.com.
Until next time, be well.